guys, and welcome back. I have found something interesting today, my friends. This is Liquid Ocelot, and thing is that YouTube has just updated a new feature in Studio, YouTube Studio, on desktop. So the thing is that now you can easily fix and customize all of your channel layout on your YouTube channel from your YouTube studios pretty easily. And all of these features inside of it were there before. However, many people still had problems navigating these features, and I am going to step you through all the factors that and the features included in customized channel layout tab, which has been added recently. Look at it under monetization. So first one is layout. They give you an option of channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, and I have added mine, as you can see. And then they have a option of featured video for returning subscribers. I have added another video over here. So this was the first one. The second one is the featured sections. So you can add up to 14 up to 10 sections, and all of these are playlists. For me, my first playlist is this one, Command and Conquer Remastered News. Then all of the uploads. Somehow it says 107 uploads, but these are the recent uploads, so I can maybe fix them as well. Remove the option, and then we have another playlist. So I have had 10 playlists, and I removed some playlists and added some new playlists in the featured section. And also, my friends, this one, featured channels, I added this featured channels list in my my featured sections, and I am going to show you now how my channel looks, to be honest with you, so that you can see. What's happening over here? ESPN, yes, my channel. And as you can see, this is for returning subscribers. Okay, this is my first section, featured section. Look at it, everything is looking fine and dandy. Custom thumbnails on every video has been posted, and now you can see this featured channels list as well. And I have added Creator Insider to it just today, so this is very good. And the branding part of things. Now we are going to move on to this was the channel layout. I'm sorry. Now we are going to move to the branding section. So today what happened is I uploaded a GIF, a moving picture, and I changed it under 4 MB. So this a lot of people, I didn't knew, to be honest, that you can post a GIF, but it should be according to the YouTube community guidelines, and you can read it right here. And they say that they don't want any animations. It should be 4 MB maximum, and you can also post normal pictures as your profile. The channel banner, look, they added profile picture, added the GIF feature as your profile picture. Banner image, look at it, I have posted it. I have updated my banner recently. And also this very important video watermark, I have already made a video about this very long time ago, and I have this watermark, subscribe watermark on all of my videos. So this watermark helps you get some subscribers, and I have set it to my entire video. So now let's review which things have been updated. This is my profile picture, a GIF. This is my channel banner. We have done these two, and the watermark. Um, this subscribe watermark I'm going to show you guys in action so that you can see it. I don't know why I can't see it, but I'll have to uh, click click this video, go to incognito mode to show you guys, because it's very important. And I have to skip it because yes, look at this incognito move. This is the subscribe button, the watermark subscribe button watermark, and it is a very important step. A lot of people ask me that give us some tips. I have already made a video about this, and I'm going to do revision with you guys. This is so we have completed this step, my friends. I have showed you all of these features in the branding department. We have also covered the layout department, and now some basic info. This is also very important, my friends. The channel description. This is the channel description, and you have 1000 total words, so I can add a few more words into it and even update it maybe after a week or so. I can keep updating it because I don't have a consistent niche unlike many others. So I can update it. I can add a language, um, original language, translated language. Look, you can add some languages. And now the important part comes. This is the about basic info about channel name and description. So the channel name can be changed as well. Look, my channel name is Liquid Ocelot, and I can change the name as well. And by clicking this pencil, and another feature is links, so you can add 14 links. I have added my Discord link, my YouTube channel Discord link, my Medium link, Twitter, Reddit, Quora. You can ask me any questions on Quora, and mine, Steemit, DTube, Instagram. I don't use Instagram that much. I'll have to remove it. Dailymotion, Vimeo, my AppDana Discord server, my Facebook, my LinkedIn. So all of these you can add up to 14 links. I'm going to be updating this section as well, as it is also very important, my friends. Very important. You can add in your Patreon page. I think YouTube allows that, and also you can add in your what do you call it? Merchandise page. Merchandise. YouTube also allows that, and then you have an option that how many links you want to appear on your banner. So I have first 5 links. I can choose done as well, and contact info. I have changed my email address over here, and this is my contact info. So we have completed all these steps: layout, branding, and basic info, my friends. Now let's go and check it out. I'll go to my YouTube channel, and in about section I have my description. Look at it. Description, channel name, description, my email address, contact info, for business. I'm going to show you liquidocelotbusiness@gmail.com, and links 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 14 links, clickable links, and 5 links shown on the banner. So guys, take full advantage of this. the branding part of YouTube was the most difficult for me to understand, and this is very, very important because I'm going to tell you something, my friends. This channel layout is is a game changer if you apply properly and optimize it, because um, if you do a lot of comments on other videos, um, and proper engagements, you can get yourself a lot of traffic on your YouTube channel and get more subscribers just by people visiting your YouTube channel. So the game is about CTA, and now it has boosted this CTA, and branding and channel layout has become even more crucial for the algorithm. I mean, I did all of these things, the basics and stuff like that. But in a way, I am happy but also sad as well, because there are many people who are specifically, primarily very good at branding, better than me, to be honest with you. And there are a lot of these people, and there is an opportunity for smaller YouTubers to climb the rankings. So you can just simply learn from maybe um, Justin why he has improved his branding. Even let's visit his channel. Oh, my friends, I'm sorry, but you I cannot visit the channel because Justin why, because my keyboard has been uh, removed. I have limited amount of USBs. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this new update from YouTube. All of the features that I talked about already existed, but not in a one single place where you can easily customize it. So that was it, my friends. um, I'm going to read out the title of the video. YouTube Studio new update helps customize channel layout easily now. This is Liquid Ocelot, and I'm going to be signing off. Take care, my friends.